more money. Now here, because it's shade, everything is a bit less fast, so you can probably do 2 or 3 years. You see. This one, okay, this one gave good crop last year. Yeah? Now this year, there is some crop. Next year, weak crop. After harvest, prune. You want to translate still? Because she was asking the frequency.
Yeah.
And I was saying here.
Kita lakukan ini tiap 2 tahun. Every 2 years.
Yeah, every 2 to 3 years. You will see, you will look. I'm not saying what needs to be. If you look at the plant, you see. When I see this plant, I say, oh, first year was good. He cut not when it's hot. He cut not June 23. He cut June 22. Then in June 22, all this grew up to June 23. Then in June 23, in September, October, all the flowering started, right? Yeah. So now it is, now we are 2 years. Maybe here, some of them like here, you see, it can still do 1 more year. Yeah. It is okay, look, there is crop, okay. But in 21, in 22, he had this yield, yeah? There was wood here, that's already what they call spent wood, right? Then last year you had this growth, now it produces. Then next year, you only have this extension. But now the extension starts to droop, starts to shade, doesn't get a lot of light. No, I need to have no secondary. So now this one becomes weak. So he's done it 3 years ago, now it's time to do it again.
Nah, ini dilakukan tiap 2 tahun, Pak. Alasan logisnya seperti ini. Contoh yang ini lagi, ini dengan ini. Ini mungkin dilakukan udah 1 tahun. Hasilnya udah bagus nih. Nah,
he did September 22 or something.
Nah, 2022. 1 tahun, 2 tahun. Nah, sekarang kan kalau
here there is still secondary, right?
Panen, ini kan lanjut ke bawah nih. Ini mungkin masih bisa panen, tapi udah sedikit. Nah, di sini ini udah lama pruningnya. Ini masih ada panen, tapi mulai merunduk ke bawah. Akhirnya yang di bawah sini itu nggak dapat sinar matahari, hasilnya kurang gitu. Terus itu hasilnya kurang, yang atasnya juga sama kurang karena terlalu jauh dari
batang pokok
utama. Jadi ini harus setelah panen harus dipangkas supaya mendekatkan lagi ke batang utama. Seperti itu. 2 sampai 3 tahun untuk 2 to 3 years. That pruning.
And now also when you prune, you get light at the bottom, and the ones which are lower can also produce. Because now the ones that are lower, you see, they don't produce.
Nih contohnya Pak, nggak ada kan?
Nggak ada di depannya.
Because they are shaded by this one.
Karena ketutupan.
But when you prune here, you get new productive wood here, and even that one will make new productive wood. So you get not only the top layer, even the lower layer will produce. So you get more production.
Ya, kalau dipotong kan, nanti akan muncul batang-batang produktif kayak gini kan. Nah, yang di bawah juga dipotong, nanti muncul lagi batang produktif seperti itu. Tapi potongnya tadi harus sisain daun ya, supaya cepet ya. Nanti kalau misalnya udah tumbuh batang-batang produktif itu, ini baru dipotong.
Because you see the branches from below, they take